Adjustable strength training power cages are essential equipment for any serious gym goer or weightlifter. There are many products available to choose adjustable strength training power cages, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best adjustable strength training power cages from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Sports Royals Power Cage. The Sports Royals Power Cage is a versatile strength training solution designed for home gyms. Its sturdy construction allows for a maximum weight capacity of 1,600 pounds, ensuring safety and stability during your workouts. With a robust frame, it supports users up to 440 pounds and accommodates various exercises. The all-in-one cable crossover system offers 20 adjustable height positions, enabling you to perform a wide range of exercises, from lat pull-downs to bicep curls. Plus, it comes with essential accessories, eliminating the need for additional purchases and making your workout routine more convenient. Number 2. RITFIT Multifunction Squat Rack Power Cage. The RITFIT PPC03 Power Rack is a versatile addition to your home gym. It combines a squat rack, cable crossover machine, and weight storage into one compact unit, making it perfect for limited spaces. The smooth cable system allows for seamless workouts, letting you perform exercises like lat pull-downs and curls with ease. With over 20 included attachments, you can customize your workouts to target various muscle groups effectively. Enjoy the convenience of achieving full-body workouts right at home without the need for a crowded gym. Number 3. FireDone Multifunction Squat Rack Power Cage. The FireDone Power Cage is designed to enhance your home workouts with its innovative features. The adjustable cable crossover system allows you to perform various exercises smoothly, catering to users of all heights. With its compact design, this 10-in-1 gym solution offers multiple workout stations, ensuring you have everything you need for a full-body workout. Built with premium steel, it supports a substantial weight capacity, providing stability during intense sessions. Additionally, the advanced paint technology ensures durability, making it a long-lasting addition to your fitness routine. Number 4. Multifunction Power Cage. The OpSteaker Power Cage is designed for serious strength training at home. Its robust construction can support up to 1,600 pounds, ensuring stability during your most intense workouts. With a versatile design, it allows you to perform various exercises, including squats, bench presses, and pull-ups, catering to both upper and lower body workouts. The included accessories mean you won't need to purchase extra equipment, making it more convenient for you. Plus, the safety features and easy assembly ensure that you can set it up quickly and train with confidence. Number 5. OpSteaker All-in-One Adjustable Smith Machine. The OpSteaker Smith Machine is a versatile home gym setup, combining multiple workout stations into one compact design. You can perform a variety of exercises, including strength training, endurance workouts, and muscle building, all from the comfort of your home. The robust construction supports a weight capacity of up to 1,400 pounds, ensuring stability during even the toughest routines. With an efficient pulley system, you can enjoy smooth movements for various exercises. Plus, assembly is straightforward, thanks to the included video and manual, allowing you to start your fitness journey with ease.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.